Welcome to the Stoichiometry Bridge simulation. In this simulation, you'll write chemical equations and solve mathematical problems. To begin, read the problem at the top of the screen. Next, select the New Reactant button to enter the correct chemical formula for one of the reactants. Use capital and lowercase letters where appropriate, and parentheses and numbers to correctly write chemical formulas. In this case, K2O was entered for potassium oxide. Select the Done button when the formula is complete. Then, enter the next reactant or reactants in the problem, if there are additional reactants. In this case, H2O for water. Complete a similar process for entering the products. In this case, KOH for potassium hydroxide. Select the Done button at the bottom of the screen when all chemical formulas are correctly written. Note, in this screen the lever is currently not balanced. After the skeleton equation is completed, enter coefficients in front of each reactant and product to properly balance the equation. The coefficient 1 is initially implied for each reactant and product and does not need to be entered. When the equation is correctly balanced, the arrow in the center of the balance will turn green. A good tip for solving stoichiometry problems is to always start the solution by entering the numeric value given for reactant or product. So here, the number 78 is selected from the drop-down menu and entered in the amount box to the left. The given units, moles, are entered along with the correct formula of the substance, in this case K2O. Since this is a moles-to-moles problem, no mass converter is needed. If a mass was given or requested as an answer, the mass converter would be needed to generate atomic or formula masses. The center box here is a conversion factor from moles of K2O to moles of KOH. Use the amount, unit, and substance drop-down menus to enter your choices. When completed, select the Checked Answer button to see how you did. If successful, select the New Problem button. If not, revise your work until the correct answer is achieved.